Hello, let's get started with analysis of rhetorical devices using literary nonfiction. We'll preview the chart first. In the column on the left is where you will actually enter the rhetorical technique that you are analyzing. When it's your turn to work independently, you will analyze all 4 rhetorical devices here in the parentheses. For time's sake today, I'm simply going to analyze 2 rhetorical techniques. After I list the rhetorical technique, I'm moving to the next column and I'm going to complete the sentence frame. The author uses blank, whichever rhetorical technique I'm analyzing, to influence the reader. And as a result, the reader better understands, knows, or etc. Similarly, I'm going to complete a sentence frame for the next column. The use of, again, the rhetorical technique listed here, evokes, and then the emotion that the audience feels through use of rhetorical technique. Finally, I'm going to analyze how the rhetorical device creates meaning. So the author uses whichever rhetorical technique I'm analyzing to create blank for the audience. Now I'm going to move down so you're able to read the selection. Please pause while you read, and when you press play, you will see me modeling my thinking by filling out the chart. The first rhetorical technique that I've decided to analyze is overstatement. The author uses overstatement to influence the reader. As a result, the reader feels like Victor, who believes the narrator is over the top. He looked at her like he was having a stroke because he couldn't believe her comment. In the emotion evoked column, the sentence frame completed reads, the use of overstatement evokes humor. And finally, in the meaning column, the author uses overstatement to create a better understanding of the narrator's character for the audience, so we know she's outrageous at times. Now I'm going to analyze a second rhetorical technique so that you can see another example of how to complete the sentence frames. The second rhetorical technique that I analyze is repetition. The author uses repetition to influence the reader. As a result, the reader feels anxious. She creates suspense each time she shares she was stabbed in the face, since the audience desperately wants to discover what actually happened. The use of repetition evokes curiosity. And then finally, the author uses repetition to create an increased awareness of shocking verbal irony, used for the benefit of the audience to simultaneously entertain and engage them. Now you're ready to complete your analysis of rhetoric using literary nonfiction. Thank you for your time and good luck.